Yep.
Move these cords. Thank you, Daddy. Please do it right now.
Grab the gray one and just push it over by the motorcycles.
Danny, move.
We'll try that one, see how that works. Just be careful.
But we can't do it because of that one is right there. Don't let go because your hands are too sweaty.
Whoa! Watch it. That's a different kind.
Okay, Danny, you can have both your yellows. Oh, go back to your yellow.
Oh, that was fast. Careful! That was like a spin around one. I got an idea. Sit on the floor next to each other and pick your feet up. Let me see what they look like. Danny, let me see what your feet look like. Whoa! Oh, bumped your elbow?
Yeah.
Let me see what your feet look like. Freebie, hold your feet up. Dan, let me see the bottom of your feet.
Nah. Nah. I don't want you to. They stink.
Whoa!
They dirt.
Whoa! You okay?
Okay.
Yeah, the floor is hard, guys. That's the only thing. You guys want to do one more boxing?
I didn't even touch it. Good. There's glass. Right there.
Oh? Yep.
Could you get it?
Yeah, I'll get it. I think it's plastic, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's plastic.
Yep,
There it is.
I can hear it.
Because that's what it's on.
Yeah, it's plastic from the CDs.
Muscle Daddy, go like this if you're good. Say muscle manus.
Muscle manus, muscle manus.
We learned that from, what's her name, Miss Sandra. She speaks Spanish.
Oh, yeah?
And she always comes to our class just for a minute to teach us Spanish. And this time she went for a good reason because she only had to go somewhere.
Oh, really?
Watch this.
Whoa! Good. Just remember, always hold on. Never let go.
Daddy, I'm
okay.
blue one.
See you later.
Pallipator.
Everybody say see ya.
Danny! Oh.
Bye.
Bye. My hands are too